Tools to find a perfect domain name. Best place to register a domain name. First, let's see what is domain. A domain is the name of your website. Registering a domain name is mandatory to start a website and it usually costs $10 per year. A domain name can be the name of your business, or if it's personal website, then you can use your name as domain name. You have the option to purchase the domain for 1 year, 2 years, or also 10 years depending on how long you want the website. You need to renew your domain after the date is expired. Tips on how to choose a domain name for your business. The first point is keep it short. Always try to keep your domain name short. It can be maximum 2 or 3 words. If your domain name is too long, then it will be hard for the users to remember. Now let's take the second point. Avoid numbers and hyphens. Never include numbers or hyphens in your domain name. It doesn't add credibility to your business. For example, assume my domain is start_website123.com. How are you feeling after reading this? You are thinking it is not a trusted site or some site which is not genuine, right? So always avoid numbers and hyphens in your domain name. Coming to the third point, make it easy to type. Make sure your domain name is easy to type. If you have confusing or long keywords, then you will be losing a lot of business. So make sure it is easy to type. The fourth point, make it brandable. Always try to make your business brandable. You can make it brandable using your name or your business category. You can use your name in your domain name. For example, if your business is about tiles, you can use the word tiles in your business. Use correct domain name extension. I always prefer .com as my domain extension. That completely depends on which customers you are targeting. For example, if your business is only for Indians, then you can choose .in or .co.in extension. If you are targeting other countries, I would suggest you go with .com extension. The last point, the sixth point, that is check availability of your domain. Maybe you have a domain name in your mind, but what will you do if it is already registered by someone else? So make sure to check your domain availability. How to check domain availability? Here are some tools to check domain availability. The first tool is leandomainsearch.com and the second one is bustaname.com.